Hey everybody, it's Danny here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what to do when you have this kind of situation in which your condensing unit is not working and you have this little thing controlling its temperature. So the first thing you want to do is open this cover. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what to do if you guys have no tools whatsoever, other than just a simple screwdriver. So you take the cover off. Now this right here is called the low pressure switch. Some techs put this on a system for two reasons. One is either for safety, or another one is just to regulate the temperature inside your cooler. In this case, they're using it as a component to regulate the temperature inside the cooler. So this is what you're supposed to do if you want to troubleshoot the system in which this is the only thing that is controlling the temperature inside your cooler. So what you want to do after you've taken off the cover is get any old screwdriver. I'm just using this for example, and what you want to do is jump the two screws here, the two wires here. I'm going to give you a close-up in a sec. Actually, I'll do it right now. So what you want to do is jump those two wires, or the two screws, and if you see the compressor starting, that means that your system is low on refrigerant. So once again, what you want to do is jump the two wires here using a screwdriver or a piece of wire. But if you're using a piece of wire, just make sure you turn off the system first, unplug it from its power source, and then jump it. Or if you just want to leave it jumped in, I know it's a little scary, but if you're careful enough, nothing would happen. You can just jump it by using a screwdriver or something. So, and yeah, so once you jump it, you see the condensing unit starting, then you know that your compressor or condensing unit refrigeration system is low on refrigerant. So we're going to see what happens when I do it right now. So here we go. Just be careful, there might be a spark. There you guys go. I'll do it one more time with a close-up. But the condensing unit did start, and the condenser fan did start too. So there you guys go. Take a look at it one more time while I jump it. Right now it's not being jumped, and right now it's going to be jumped. So there you guys go. Now you guys know how to troubleshoot a low pressure switch on your refrigeration system. Once again, this is Danny. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.